Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's the first trading day of January 3rd, 2023. It's the charts of the day. Well, the market didn't start off with a great session. Although it did open with a bang, it then came down sharply, rallied back, closed down on the day. But what was interesting was the technicals, the underlying technicals. Advanced declines were positive by 400 or 500 issues in both exchanges, and the up-down volume was flat. So it wasn't that bad a day, and we may be able to salvage the week by starting around with a turnaround Tuesday as early as tomorrow, Wednesday, I should say. So we shall see what the market wants to give us, but there's some stocks I want to point out. A lot of them biotechs, as I told you this year, I thought might be a big year for biotechs. It's starting off that way. ATNF, take a look at this pop today from 311 to 598, finished 495 up 156, a 46% gain on 49 million shares. It's up against resistance, so it may not have much more progress, but if it does move, my target's 10.5, 11. Up next is AUPH, also with a big pop off low, 19 million shares today, pop from 441 to 621, finished at the upper end of the range at 610, up 178, up 41%. As I said, volume was a hefty 19 million plus. There's some resistance overhead. The immediate target's about 6 3/4, but the secondary target 8. BILI in the Chinese sector, very strong coming out of a wedge today, popping another 339 of 14.3%. Volume picked up to 18.2 million, the biggest in 3 weeks. I'm thinking now we have a shot at getting this into the 33 range or above. DADA, also another Chinese stock, breaking out today across key resistance. Spiked $1.84, 26%. Traded 3.4 million, not a lot, but one of the bigger volumes of the last several months. Now I have a target of 10.5, 3/4, maybe more. DRIP, with oil coming down, and I believe it's going to continue. DRIP coming out of a consolidation pattern, a good volume today, jumped $1.63 or 11.4%. My targets are now 18.5 and 20. EH, Chinese aerospace, with a nice 5-day move, has taken it from 606 to 959, trading 947, up 89 cents, 10% gain today, targeting 11 and 13.5. GDS put a swing on it today. I like it that much. Long-term decline top line being tested here. So it may not quite have been broken out yet. You see it's right at that line. So a bit of a risk with a swing trade here, but if it does go, you're going to see 30, 31 or more. Maybe my targets, I believe, are 27 and 30 short term. HUYA, another Chinese stock on the run, jumping 43 cents or 11%. Traded 5 million shares today. Looks like it may not be done yet. A little bit more momentum could take this to near 5. Secondary target, 6. IQ, also a pop and a breakout, and a tech trade, a new swing coming out of a long base pattern. Now it's overbought short term, so it may pull back, but if it extends near term, I'm looking for near $8, 7 3/4, 8, and maybe 10 on an intermediate basis. I think gold may be on the verge of an important move. You can see JNUG and Nugget stirring here. Today, JNUG was up 251 or 7%. Volume is 1.8 million, not a lot, but taking a look at Nugget as well, you'll see same kind of pattern, moving up to test key resistance, jumping 255 or 7.4% on 3.6 million shares. So if we take these two out above the resistance zone, your next target is 44 on Nugget, and JNUG's target is 47. KOLD, I'm also a favorite of this one as natural gas is getting hammered. The KOLD inverse head and shoulder breakaway move and strong surge has seen it go from 1280 to 33 in just about 3 weeks. Maybe overbought short term, but my momentum target is 43, 44. MLCO, beautiful platform after a breakaway from a nice gap and a big run that saw it go from 4 3/4 to 12 1/4. It's currently consolidating. Your next target, 15. And Pan American Silver, a tech traded swing. I believe silver is also going to turn. I wanted representation in that group. I like Pan American Silver as one. There's others, but this one is my swing trade pick at 21.5 and 24. RSLS exploded today on huge volume for this stock of 12.7 million, jumping from 681 to 2063, backed off to 1460, but it was still up 786 or 117%. And as I said, it traded 12.7 million. That's a breakaway move. Now looking for an extension into the high mid-20s and then low 30s. And finally, SMMT, which has been on a tear ever since the breakaway gap a month ago. You can see it continues to press along the channel. Today, reversing from 420 to 517. finished 484.59 cents, or 14%. It looks to me like this stock is headed towards $8. Let's look at some of the top picks at the techtrader.com charts of the day video.